Hi, I'm Karen from Active and welcome to your core rehab workout. Perfect for diastasis recti and pelvic floor dysfunction, but generally just good for postpartum. So if you're a new mama, this workout is for you. You'll see my full core rehab program over at pregactive.com. Of course, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. It helps me to create more videos just like this for you. All right, well, let's get started. All you need today is a cushion, so grab one from the couch and let's get started in all four kneeling. Hands underneath your shoulders, knees under hips. Take a breath in, open that chest, look up. Exhale, round the spine, tuck the tail. Again, breathe here, open, look up. Exhale, round the spine. One more big breath, open chest. And exhale and round. Come back into your all fours. Side cat, so look back behind you, your hips go the other way. And then swap to the other side. Two more each side, breathing in. And out. Last one each side, breathing in and out. All right, just 3 circles, hip circles, so circle around. Big, nice, slow, deep breaths. There's 2. And 3 circles. Let's go back the other way. This is great for your digestion as well. So if you're doing this in the morning, before breakfast, it's good. All right, let's now head onto our back. First onto your side, then onto your back. Grab your cushion, place it up to the ceiling, shoulders are back and down. Take a breath in. So you exhale, lift your pelvic floor and get that gentle hug and wrap around your torso as you squeeze the cushion. Breathe in, let that go. Now that's a good level to stay at, or if you want more, join me. Exhale, engage pelvic floor first, then engage through your torso. Squeeze the cushion, send one leg long and the arms back up over your head. Come back in, lower the foot, breath in. Exhale, other side, so squeeze everything. Lift pelvic floor, belly and the cushion, then slide arms up over, leg all the way out. So you're alternating legs here. Breath in to relax and exhale. Engage. Breathing in. Exhale. Good. We're going for 5 each side. Really think about that pelvic floor lift, exhaling. So don't rush this. Really take your time to connect. First, pelvic floor, belly, and squeeze the cushion. Then move the arms and the leg. 2 more each side. One more each side. Perfect. All right. Place that cushion down. Let's head just into some bridges. Hands by your side. Take a breath. As you exhale, lift that pelvic floor, engage through your belly. Tuck the tail, lift lower back, middle back, upper back. Hold as high as you can, breath in. And then exhale, we're gonna lower all the way back down. Breath in at the base, exhale, lift. So we've got 5 like this. Squeeze your glutes. And then breath in, lower back down. Exhale, pelvic floor, belly. all the way up. Breath in, lower back down. 2 more like this. Exhale, lift. Breath in, lower. Last one. Now from here, just lower the hips halfway and then exhale, squeeze. So breathe into lower, exhale, squeeze those glutes. Lower, 3, lower, 4, lower, 5, heading for 10, lower, 6, lower, 7, lower, 8, so engage pelvic floor, 9 and 10, holding, breathing for 10. Squeeze those glutes, lift the pelvic floor, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Really slowly release. Rock the knees from side to side. All right, just a nice little glute stretch here while we're at it. So lift that right leg up, cross that right ankle over the left knee. Now lift that left foot off the ground, hold back behind your thigh, or if you want more, go to your shin. Breathe here. Long, slow, deep breaths. This is nice to have some time for yourself, isn't it, right now? Okay, let's swap over to the other side. Breathe, nice and deep. Let everything in your body relax. So it's important to strengthen. It is also very important, particularly postpartum, to stretch. We're tight from a long pregnancy and also birth, but also then just carrying a baby, having little ones. Your body goes through so much. You got one more big breath. Release that breath. And release everything down, and then just rock those knees from side to side. Perfect. All right. One more exercise here on your back. So lift one leg, take that breath, exhale, engage through that core, then lift the second leg. For making it easier, you can hold just to your thighs. To make it harder, hands to ceiling. Take a breath. Exhale, engage that core as you slowly lower one leg down. And then come back up, breath in. Exhale, other side. Come back up. I'm going to add opposite arm, opposite leg. I like to continue the exhale part way on the way up as well. Take that breath in once I get to the top. But it's all about maintaining that core connection through pelvic floor and deep abdominals through the range of movement. So again, you don't want any doming through your abdominals with this. You don't want any ache through your back. To make this easier, you hold onto the leg that's staying still and you just drop one and then you go to the other side. If you've not done any core workouts with me before, I want you to stay with that option, okay? Making sure you're not overdoing it. All right, one more each side. Perfect. All right, draw the knees in, rock them from side to side. And let's rock up and over into side plank. elbow directly underneath that shoulder, top hand, top hip, working just into either a clam or join me as we lift the hips. So exhale, engage pelvic floor and the belly. Inhale to release. Good. There's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that's 10. All right, up and over to the other side. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last one, 10, heading to all fours. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips, shoulders back and down, lengthen the spine, breath in. So you exhale, engage pelvic floor and lift out to the side, flex that foot. There's 2, 3, heading for 10, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, down dog, press it back, stretch. Lower the knees, grab the cushion, up to high kneel, tuck those toes. Let's lower down, and as you come up, squeeze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one. I want you to squeeze, lift, and lift those hands all the way overhead. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Release the hands back down. Release the cushion. Come through to a seat. Take a big breath here. And just let it go. One big stretch up and over. And the other side. Perfect, and that is your core workout done for today. If you enjoyed that, join me over at productive.com for more.